I am at the Hain's residence, Allstate claim. I think we have repairs on every slope. There's a big tarp on that one, on the front and the back. They do have some interior damage, which you guys have already afforded for, I think, on that side. But I'm here to do an additional repair. The notes showed that Allstate stated that it wasn't done properly the first time, so I am here to try and do that. With me, I have, I'll be unsealing the shingles with this. I will be getting the nails out with the pry bar. I will be nailing the nails back in with a snake and a hammer. So we have putty knife, pry bar, snake, and hammer. So this is the damaged shingle here. I've already marked it. You can see the creasing in this shingle here, and just wanted to show above. That one's a little unsealed, but it's not on the side. That goes with that one. This one is unsealed here, but you can see there's not any damage on that one right now. So let's get started. Okay. To move you guys back. Let's see, so it's this shingle here. I'll be unsealing 2 rows up. So here and here, and there we go. So this is the damaged shingle here, and I'll be sealing 2 rows up. First, we'll start with the putty knife. Sure we got them all unsealed, ready to go. This one's ripped, although it is the one that you're paying for. Let's see. Nails right there. It's ripped here, so you can see. Again, this is the one you're paying for here. And I'm going to replace it with a different 3-tab. But that nail's being stubborn. There we go. Got it. All right, first row of nails are out. Let's see one. So the tab lays 1, 2, 3. So these 2 were not unsealed, so I'm unsealing these. This one is ripped. I don't know if you can see it from there. Right here, it's ripped. When we're done with this, I will get the camera out and show you. Yep. Okay, here is our damaged shingle. Here. I'm going to try and see, there's not a name on the back to see what kind of shingle it is. But I'm going to go back with another 3 tab. Whew. This is a 3 tab, brand new. Oh goodness. Okay. Let's see. So I just want to show, I am going to take the phone out. I'm going to keep this shingle and I'm going to send it off to ITEL for you guys. This is a normal 3 tab shingle, and it is not going to fit actually. So I think I'm going to have to do a simulated repair, so I don't have to cut the brand new tab. Okay, so you can see here, this is the tab I just took out. This is the brand new shingle I'm putting in, and you can see the difference in size here. It's about that much. So we're talking a huge difference. If I was to, let me put that there. Yeah, the overlay here is a massive difference. So, and this is a, let me see, what I'm putting in here, I believe, yeah, this is a Certainty 3 tab here. So I'm gonna put this one back in here. We've had some rain a lot lately here in Georgia, so I don't want to, honestly, you can't warrant something by cutting this shingle. So I'm going to put this one back in. So we're going to be doing a simulated repair. Okay. All right. So again, I'm not going to use the new 3 tab because it doesn't fit. And we have to go back with kind of like quality, and that one is not. Oh, actually, well, if I'm going to take this tab. Oh, you know what? He's got a tab down in the downstairs. I forgot. He's already got some tabs missing. Okay. We are done with the putty knife and the pry bar. Now we'll go back with the snake. I'll hold it down here on the bottom, make sure it doesn't damage, this part of the snake doesn't damage the shingle. So seems a little wonky. I didn't notice that. The nail line is like gonna hit. So I'm gonna try and go at an angle. Or get on top. See how the you've got a nail line here. Like that's where that shingle was, or that's where that nail was. So I'm trying to go into it at an angle so that I don't hit that shingle there, but it's going to be probably close to impossible actually. Use a different nail, going in a different hole. That worked. Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. Now that we are done with that, let me get the phone out. While I'm doing that, I want to go ahead and point out the damaged shingles that we have here. So I'm going to show you the pit chopper I'm standing on. There's a ton of granules here that have come off from the shingles, but we've got this damaged shingle here, this one here, this one here. Remember there was a rip on this one, so this one is ripped. RIP. This one as well. That one too. Goodness. Okay. And then, like I said, I'm going to take, in order for the insured to actually do a repair, they got to know what shingle is on here. And the one that's on the market right now, which is that one, does not fit. So we got to figure out what shingle will fit them best. So again, we'll do an ITIL on that unless you guys want to do one. Okay, here we are. Shadow, trying to get my shadow out from under it, but you can see the lines here, and from here you can see here and here, and remember it ripped underneath here as well. There's just a bunch of damage here. You can see here, like I like to point out the amount of granules that have fallen off. Just simply trying to do that one repair. So obviously it's not repairable. So I don't even know if an ITIL would benefit at this point. Let me get out of my shadow out of the way so that you can see better. But as you can see here, pretty substantial damage that occurred around while just trying to do the repair. So we'll get those sent in to you, and we'll let you guys review it, and we'll discuss what needs to happen next.